Digital marketing has become an essential component of modern-day marketing strategies, allowing businesses to reach their target audience more effectively than traditional marketing methods. In this video, we will discuss some tips and tricks to help you get started with digital marketing. The first step in creating an effective digital marketing campaign is defining your target audience. Who is your ideal customer? What are their interests and pain points? You can use various tools like Google Analytics and social media insights to gather this information and create a buyer persona. The next step is setting specific, measurable goals and key performance indicators, KPIs, for your digital marketing campaign. This will help you track progress and make data-driven decisions. Examples of KPIs include website traffic, engagement, and conversions. Keyword research is a crucial component of any digital marketing campaign. It involves identifying the search terms that your target audience is using to find products or services similar to yours. You can use tools like Google Keyword Planner and SEMrush to conduct keyword research. Content marketing involves creating valuable and relevant content to attract and engage your target audience. This includes blog posts, infographics, videos, and social media posts. Your content should be optimized for SEO and shared across various platforms to reach a wider audience. Social media marketing is an effective way to reach and engage your target audience. You can use various platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn to promote your products or services, share valuable content, and connect with your followers. Email marketing is another powerful digital marketing tool, allowing you to reach your target audience directly in their inbox. You can use email campaigns to promote your products or services, share valuable content, or generate leads. Make sure your emails are personalized, visually appealing, and mobile-friendly. Measuring the success of your digital marketing campaigns is important to make data-driven decisions and improve your ROI. You can use tools like Google Analytics and social media insights to track your KPIs and adjust your campaigns accordingly. With these tips and tricks, you can get started with digital marketing and start seeing results for your business. Remember, it's important to continually test and adjust your campaigns to improve your ROI and reach your business goals.